Welcome to the 2014 Carp Championships. Being held today on Fallows Lake. We have 24 anglers, 12 pairs, all fighting for that £39,000 worth of prize money. First place being of £30,000, second of £6,500, third place at £2,500. We have a team prize, which I can gladly tell you is being won by Norfolk and Chance. So congratulations to them. I must say, we've got some of the best anglers in the country in the final. It's going to be dead exciting, intimate. Hopefully a few fish are being caught. The draw's just about to be announced, so let's go and see how the draw progresses and have a good time. See you in a bit.
Well, here we go, Carpheadbangers. Finalists all gathering round, ready for the draw. The Carp Championships 2014 final on Fallows Lake. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait. There's going to be some great stuff going on. Oh, and there's Ed, one of the finalists. He actually owns the lake, believe it or not. Some of the guys. And there's Dan from Real Fishing UK. Give us a wave, lad. Yeah, you want to look him up on YouTube, he does some great stuff. Beautiful. Anyway, it's getting close. It's getting close. There's Harry Charrington and Alexi, another one of the finalists. Always looking chilled as ever. The cool dudes, I think I'll start calling them.
ain't gutting. I'll be buzzing with him.
I'll tell you what, we're doing Jerry Bridger, right, second, third. Every time he's gone up, and we jokingly said, "Go on, Jerry, pull us out of here." Pull us out. And he's gone, "Oh, no, it's coming here." And then every said, "Fix." Yeah, you boys. In the corner.
Well, a lot of happy people. Okay, Carpheadbangers. That's the start of the Carp Championships. Final of Fallows. Everyone's going to start going to their pegs. Most of them are happy with their choices. Definitely. See you in a bit, guys. Carp Championships is just about to start. It's a countdown now. There we go, Carpheadbangers. The start of the Carp Championships 2014. Well, let's see what happens. Best of luck to everybody. Speak to you in a bit. Well, just look at that view, Carpheadbangers. Doesn't it look absolutely marvellous? Beautiful. Well, there's Karl Palmer, just setting his rig out. Tell you what, it's got to be very technical here, getting close to that island. Problem is, you've got an undercut, so you've got to really get in at a right angle to get the perfect position. It's not that simple, just one cast straight to the perfect spot. Sometimes you might need to just cast a number of times just to be happy with what you've done. Well, he wasn't happy with his cast, so he's redoing it again. He's using a combi link. Little pink pop up on it. Oh, that looked beautiful. Looked absolutely perfect. But it's up to him to decide whether he thinks that's right. Yeah, it was a perfect cast. He's just settling his rod in now. Happy with his two rods he's just put in.
Hopefully they're going for the way.
Yeah, hopefully. That's what it's all about, isn't it, Carl?
Yeah.
You happy with your draw?
Could be better. Coming second to last. We'll give it a go anyway. That's all we can do.
Well, sure you got the right skills going on there, lad. Magic ingredients then, Carl.
Yeah, hopefully.
Lovely. The nutter freezer bait. Using a throwing stick to put his bait in the position he's happy to be in. Some of the seagulls getting freebies, which is part of the hazard of using a throwing stick. Here's Brad Greening, Callum and Carl's runner. Bitch. I wouldn't say that, mate. You're too class of an act to be a bitch, I'm afraid. You're doing a top job, mate. You're doing a top bit. You're doing a top. You're doing a top job, lad. I was just about to say, doing a top pitch. No. What's the preferred rig then, Brad?
fluorocarbon combis at the minute.
Fluorocarbon combi, yeah. What's the length of the fluoro?
About 4, well, boom's about 4 or 5 inches or so.
Right, brilliant.
About half inch of sapling. So
Yeah.
the bottom's all ground out there.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Stiff up there.
Yeah. So it's going on gravel like that, yeah?
Short and stiff.
Yeah.
Not like me, I'm not stiff. We'll leave it at that.
You've got a sense of humour like me. Oh, right. The view from Carl and Callum's swim. Don't it look fantastic? Oh, right. The wind's blowing on a north-northwesterly. It's about 12 mile an hour. As you can see, the weed on the surface in front of him. But he's not too concerned about that. He's just basically cast to the spots he needs to cast to. The line's going across on top of the weed, and the lead's obviously rocked in the spots they need to be at. And one of the spots there. And the second spot these are on the second island. And I'll just zoom in. This is where the second spot is. Just cut into the bank. And there's Brad putting a rig together for the boys. Using the Corda IQ2 fluorocarbon.
Yeah.
Size hook, Brad?
Pardon?
Size hook.
This is whatever Carl's using. I think they're a size 6. Yeah, size 6. 6 inches, got me shrunk down.
Perfect.
That's it, really just simple, really.
Isn't it?
You don't need to get all complicated.
No. Very good. You'll be making a few of them over the next 48 hours, won't you?
Just a few. That's it, really. That's it.
Yeah, brilliant. He's got a bite.
Oh,
Has he got?
Swan over the line.
Oh, it isn't.
With the weed on the surface.
Oh,
Stupid swan.
well, we thought you were in then.
So, like, them
You
swans
aren't eating it.
don't move the lead back, that's the only problem.
I think it's because it's got a big bow in.
Yeah, because the line's on the surface where the weed is.
Yeah.
Where the
Shame they
swans-
one of them little V's. You just do a few casts and move that
weed round.
top. Yeah, on the top.
So because the weed was moving and the swan's going across, they've touched his line, and that's why his bobbin was moving. Just had to reset it. There's Sam Harris sorting the barbecue out. Ooh, it's looking good.
Genuine wood barbecue.
Yeah, a genuine wood barbecue. It's certainly going to be smoking, I tell you. Oh, love it. What are we having anyway, Sam?
I was thinking a bit of squirrel.
A bit of squirrel.
A bit of rabbit.
Hey, I hope you're not interested in the rooster.
I don't know, I'm sure we could probably find some chicken to get on there.
Right. Alright, catch you later, lad.
See you in a bit.
Well, I'm going to Dan Abbison and Wade Snodden swim. Hi boys.
Good afternoon.
Are you happy in your nappy?
Yeah.
First out the draw.
No,
Number 1 swim selected.
it's yeah, look of the draw and everything, but it has to be said, Fallows is one of them lakes where you know, it's not just one swim that'll do it. There are
They'll
you know,
just-
6 or 7 swims
yeah,
that can do it.
It's
so,
an open race, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice to be out first, or at least in the first half of the draw,
Yeah.
as opposed to
The last
picking
half.
up the last few. So, but yeah, at the moment, quietly confident.
Yeah,
You know,
looks
doing,
good.
Doing the right stuff. Hopefully, we'll put a few fish on the bank soon.
So you're in open water here then, Dan?
Yes.
Well, you got plenty of water in front of you, haven't you?
Yeah, we have. We have. Our boundaries, this was one of our main reasons for picking this swim, the amount of water that we have
Yeah.
and actually have to obtain, you know.
So what's your presentation out there?
So at the moment, with this weather, I'm fishing zigs at the moment.
Yeah, right.
So
How far off the bottom?
7 foot.
7 foot zigs, yeah.
7 foot zigs. So
Super.
sort of just fluttering underneath the surface of the water there.
Yeah, brilliant.
What carp could resist it?
No, what carp could resist it? Well, you'll soon find out over the amount of time it's out there.
Hopefully, mate. Hopefully, there's a few carp that can't resist.
Yeah, well, it's all about catching them in, isn't it?
That's it, mate, that's it. So, hopefully we just have to wait and see. Because the fines go in as soon as the horn goes, so always
Yeah.
seems to be the way with these matches.
Just need a settling down period now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they'll start to come. They'll start to come.
And here's Dan's buddy, Wayne Snodden. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, you
Yeah. I'm very pleased about the draw, aren't you? Yeah.
pretty happy?
Tell you what, you couldn't have had it any
No.
better, could you really?
Pretty,
Smile on your face as soon as your name was announced.
pretty frightening actually, to be fair, but it was good.
Yeah.
It was good.
And how's your swim? What's happening in your swim then,
Well, I've got
Wayne?
quite a few
Options.
islands for me, so I'm fishing quite tight to the islands.
Yeah.
When I say tight, I'm literally scraping the bushes on the way down.
Well, to be honest, I was shown a little bit of footage by one of our colleagues, and it shows fish the way they are underneath the islands.
Oh yes.
And you've really got to get the angle right in order to get tight into the island.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? So it's
That's what
imperative
it
that you get the right lie for your
Yeah,
rig.
so I've got 4 options, just going to keep baiting the 4 options and fingers crossed.
Yeah,
I'm
brilliant.
just relying on Dan now.
Yeah, have you seen much in front
Just
of you?
to carry me. There are fish out there. There are fish out there. Yeah, and he keep carrying me.
The pressure's on you now, Dan.
Oh, well, you know.
No pressure.
It's alright, I've carried him the whole tournament.
Team effort, mate. Team effort.
There's no I in team.
Listen, I seen Wayne on Drayton and he was really banging it out while you were asleep.
Nice one, Phil. Nice one.
And I've got the footage to prove it.
I had 40 minutes sleep. I had 40 minutes sleep. Yeah, no
I had
more.
10 hours.
You had 10 hours, yeah. I had to let the old timer, you know, have the second night, you know. He had to have his sleep. And then he started taking photos of me the next day when I decided to
Well,
have
you
a kid.
usually need plenty of sleep as you're getting older, and I think you look older than him.
Hey, kitchen.
There's at least 10 years between us. Look at his face.
I'm only 23.
Biggest paper round in the village then, yeah?
It was uphill all the way.
What's your presentation out there then, Wayne, in
Because I'm
regarding
fishing-
rigs, I mean?
Yeah, because I'm fishing tight to the islands, the depth doesn't appear to be that. I haven't put a marker out there, I don't want to, but I'm fishing some bottom baits and some pop-ups, so we'll
Right.
just see what happens. As I
What
say,
type of rig are you using?
just a standard sort of blowback bottom rig,
Right.
and then I've got a sort of a combi rig
Combi
with
rig.
a stiff hook link material on a soft material. So
Right. Very good.
we will see.
Well, tell you what, DNA baits are in order, aren't they?
Can't beat it.
Tell you what, I know it's good stuff. I definitely know it's good stuff. What sort of
S7.
S7?
Yep,
Secret 7?
that's the one.
Right, very good. Looks fantastic.
12 mils, 15 mils, 18 mils.
Well, smaller baits do work well. Love this swim. It's got loads of options.
Lots of options. Lots of options.
tight at the right side of the tree.
Try to be, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see where the last two have gone?
Yeah, beautiful.
Just slightly right of the tree.
That's Dan just putting his zig out. 7 foot off the bottom. Straight off the clip. Makes it look so easy. Here's Alexi, just about to put his zig out. And his partner Harry Charrington, actually broke the world record on Drayton. Superb angler, absolutely superb. In fact, the pair of them are just so relaxed in what they do. He's even got the right t-shirt on. Keep calm and carry on fishing.
Yeah, well, we came out third and in our third choice swim, so
Yeah.
Can't complain, to be honest.
Well, you've done absolutely fantastic to be where you are, being honest. I thought you've done a great job. Great job.
See if it continues.
Well, that's what it's all about, I think. Well, the other 12 finalists are all thinking the same thing, aren't they? What's your presentation out there? You just on zigs, are you?
One's out on the zig, one's on the bottom.
Right, okay.
Carries got the same.
What's your depths?
7, 8.
7, 8 foot, yeah.
We've got one on like about 3.5 foot.
Have you seen any fish in front of you?
A few in the weed.
Yeah.
Like,
Definitely, yeah. So they're there, aren't they?
factory man.
It's all about catching them now, isn't it? It's one of the nicest lakes I've been on. Just got plenty to offer the angler. Plenty. Proper angler's water. It's all credit to the people who run it, look after it, improving it all the time, making it a pleasurable experience for everybody. And he's in! Oh my God, talk about timing. Well done. Oh, talk about a tense moment getting your first fish in. Oh, right. What a moment. I know. Where's Harry when you want him? He's put you under pressure now, lad. At least you'll have a story to tell him.
I'll be swearing at him.
No, yeah. I can't imagine what's going on in your head at the minute. Oh, wait, what a fantastic opportunity now. Getting your first fish in.
Shaking.
Oh, yeah, I bet you are. Bet you that's intense, I'm telling you, I can feel it.
Yeah, you bastard.
Yeah. Where have you been? He's been panicking.
Hold on.
And here's Alexi's partner, Harry Charrington. Coming back all calm with a smile on his face.
And the old pink special.
Ah, well that's interesting. Awesome.
That would have
Cheers, mate. I just said to Harry, it does feel a little bit like if we get a take now, I'll be very surprised.
You're well under.
Oh, look at the prize, it's getting closer. Oh, hey. Oh, doesn't it look beautiful? Oh, what a marvellous moment. Talk about a class act. These are definitely a class act, these two.
Yeah, not the mark.
Yeah.
We've passed that. Just take it easy
Oh,
now,
it's a-
mate. He's got
the
a bit of
weeds
weed
on
on
his
his
head,
head,
yeah.
so just take it easy.
Felt bigger than it was.
Oh, it's a lovely common.
Wish we had the pan this.
Yeah, we need to pan that. Get back to Drayton and get it.
Take it easy. No, it's all right. Yeah. The line should just pull through it and then up onto its face if you keep it. It's not too close to it.
These are tense moments now, Carpheadbangers. Very tense moments. I'm actually shaking like a leaf myself.
You just want all that wind to sit on its face, don't you?
Oh, it doesn't want to give up.
Bring them back.
Oh, it's ready. Oh, no, it's not. Yes, it is.
Be brave.
Oh, superb, boys. Absolutely fantastic.
mate.
Yes!
Okay.
Brilliant.
Right, let's get him quickly under and then I'll just drop him back in the margin.
My chili con carne.
And that's well fried up now, that actually.
Is it a chunk?
It's a fish. That's the main thing.
That's Colne Valley carp.
Yeah. Ooh, it's a nice fish. That is a nice fish.
Good hook, old mate.
Beautiful. Is that on the bottom bait, Harry, or Zig?
On the bottom.
Yeah, on the bottom, yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Well, there's nothing better than having your first one, is there, Harry?
Yeah, well, it's good to get off the mark. We didn't. We've literally thrashed that area to an absolute foam.
Well, I was saying to Alexi, you're confident about the swim trees. He goes, I'm only confident when we get our first fish in.
Yeah.
Using then, Harry?
It's probably about
It's pretty long, isn't it?
12 inches. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's quite a bit of got silkweed out there.
Yeah.
So it's just sort of to make sure it sits on top of it all.
Lovely. There you go, Carpheadbangers. Rig which catches Harry Charrington and Alexi by Graves' first fish. Beautiful.
You ready to go?
Ooh, perfect. Here's the marshals coming to weigh the fish. And the weights have been zeroed, so everyone's happy.
Yeah. Right. Just bring her up whenever you're ready.
Oh, they're in again. Oh, superb. I tell you what, it's all go here.
running out of swim.
Oh, hey. Oh, can you believe this?
When we get that one kept up to 13, that's right.
This is unbelievable. Talk about being on it. Bit of a panic from Alexi there. Well in control.
Not the first time.
Well, you're in control now, lad. Good skills.
It's a bit strange.
It's just coming on the surface.
That's fighting proper weight.
Not really.
Just lost the lead on it, I imagine.
Oh, right, this is perfect.
You're just not giving it anything. It's the same kind of thing over and over. That's it. Come on, son.
Ooh, he's lost the lead. So brings the fish to the surface a lot quicker.
He's trying to turn his head, isn't he?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you missed it. No, Carl. It's the weirdest fight I've ever had in my life.
Maybe it might not have any tail. It doesn't have a mouth. You hooked it in the top there.
Linear, Carl. On deep wave, eh?
Oh, fantastic.
Oh, you let it turn its head.
Oh.
Yeah, just take it easy now. Enough of the
There's
practice.
no rush in this. No rush on this lake. Oh, superb. All the way. What a fight all the way. Oh, let's not give up that.
Yeah.
Congratulations, lads. Well done.
Right.
No problem.
Yeah, yeah. No.
Everything's in a rush, trying to get the rods back out now to maximise that opportunity. You don't know how many fish is going on in that particular spot. How many wraps, Alexi?
Let me just count.
All right. Obviously working at speed because obviously
13.
13, well done. There's obviously 13 wraps out. Unlucky 13 not. Straight back on the job. Ooh. Oh, perfect. Right on the money.
Hello.
Pretty clear there, Alexi.
It's patchy, but you can
Yeah.
basically get the dog.
done a tremendous job there, buddy, I must admit. Just tensioning his line accordingly. Sigh of relief now, eh?
I should get dressed. Do you want to cut a few baits out with a stick? Or just leave it at a 10? I better than me.
Clear behind. If it's all or none, then take none.
Perfect.
Right, let's go. Right.
Here's the first fish to be weighed. Harry Charrington and Alexi Bygrave.
It is! No, I had loads of linears of it.
Oh, what a linear!
Yeah, well, until you look at its face, and then you realise why you hooked it in the top there.
Oh, wait.
Oh, scale pen.
I'll pick up that one, and you can have the nice big cut.
Yeah? Right.
Watch that pole coming out the end. Tom's stitching obviously didn't quite work.
Or just try.
It's a good option.
Radio last on it.
Scores on the doors, boys.
14-2.
Oh, not quite.
What was that? 14, was it?
No, he's guessing, Tom. Alexi.
13-7.
13-7. Congratulations. Well done, boys.
You need to see a bit more before you get on. As on
Yeah, grab the other one quickly and we'll grab a brace shot.
You just take it out of that.
Do some water here. It's still dry. Hey? You got any water on it?
Oh, look at that.
Hey.
Oh, what's it now, Tom? Come on, lad, give us a guess.
23-2. Oh, Steve wins it.
23-2. 23-2.
Tom, I believe that's a tenner, mate.
Tenner every time.
Hey. Yeah. Oh, looks like Tom's lost the tenner.
What are you down to now? That's, I'm up.
£2.
£2.
Do you want to get a photo of
Yeah, if we have a quick...
Oh, look at this, Carpheadbangers. Alexi Bygrave and Harry Charrington. Absolutely fantastic angling.
Hey.
Beautiful, look at it. Well done, boys. Superb. Absolutely superb. Well, what do you think of that, Carpheadbangers? I tell you what, that was pure class. That's what you call top angling, that from Harry Charrington and Alexi Bygrave. superb. And I tell you what I'm loving about this competition is that you can have fun in one swim and then proper action in the next swim. That was just something else. I just think we're going to have a cracker time over the next 48 hours. Superb. Anyway, on to the next swim. Let's see how they're getting on. Bye for now. Oh, hey, look at that. Doesn't it look absolutely beautiful? Just something else, this lake. It's just got everything you want to do. And I believe next year you won't see any of this weed, because they just hired boats to cut it all out. So it'll be a totally different presentation. Beautiful.